Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Champagne coming to you back again with another banger. Hello, can I get an A? Okay, so yes, I'm coming to you guys with another banger. This is another makeup look. We are going to be going for a bronzy type of makeup look. But before I go into further detail, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you are new on this channel, here on this channel, I show you guys everyday makeup looks, special occasion makeup looks, skincare tips and advice, and all about being an esthetician. And if this is something that you enjoy or you like and you want to know more, then keep watching. So as I was saying, you guys, I'm going to be doing a bronzy type of look. I did this look on a client of mine and it got a lot of likes and a lot of views, and I liked it. I was like, it was a banger. It was her birthday makeup look, okay? And so I'm going to be using, I want to say I'm strictly going to be using straight from this palette. The only thing I have used on myself from this palette would be this lighter cream shade and then this brown. I haven't used anything else, but I do plan to use some of these shimmers as well. So we are going to be doing a bronzy look. This will be a cut crease look. So this is something that you could wear every day because it is a neutral color. It just might take a little bit more time and a little bit more practice. I'll try to go into great detail to show you guys how I exactly get this look. But yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm sorry you guys, so I'm applying this darker brown underneath the second lighter brown. My apologies. I did this eye already, now I'm doing this eye. And if you see any patches or anything, because that happens sometimes, just go in and apply more eyeshadow. It's important to know, like, once you transition from one shade to another, just make sure you blend those shades into each other. One way of doing that is to wipe off your brush with a Kleenex, like I usually do, or go back in with that lighter shade that you use and blend out the harsh lines of the darker shade. And I'm making mine a little higher up just because I know when I cut my eye, my crease goes like so high. So like I kind of got to take my brown all the way up if I wanted to pop and stand out. Okay guys, so I'm going to attempt to do this eye like I did this eye. So remember, we're going for a cut crease. Best way to do this is just to tap and move. Take your time though, because it can be very tedious and yeah. Tap, pull, tap, pull. So you see, we gotta come higher, you see? So now I just added that dark brown to the corners on the end of my eyes, and I'm just blending that in into the rest of the base just to create a color, you know, as you see me do. Then eventually I'm gonna go in with a shimmer color and add some shimmer. But before I do that, I'm gonna just add a little bit more black. Then I'll go in and add some more shimmer, or add some shimmer. So I'm gonna be using this bronzy shimmer color. Is pretty too. You see, pretty, yeah. This is what it's looking like thus far. And from where you have the black and the gold, you just dab to blend out those harsh lines. Now, as you guys see, I kind of have like a patch here. I might go ahead and add some black right there, or take a smaller brush and pick that same brown up and place it there. Sometimes when the blending brush is real fluffy, it's hard to place right where you need it. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go in with this other light shade. We're gonna apply that. This is so pretty. Look at how pretty this color is. And I'm not really worried about like you know, I'll get the see, you see how pretty that is? I'll go in with a smaller brush to really work, you know, the crease and all that. Pretty. So I went on ahead and put my liquid liner on, and I'm gonna go in and clean everything up. But this is how it's looking thus far. I'm actually liking it. I will be putting some, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna put under here. Maybe some glitter, I don't know, we'll see. But I'm not quite done, so stay tuned. Hey you guys, so here is the finished look of this makeup look that I've done. I was going for like a bronzy type of makeup look, and so this is what it is, y'all. I'm really digging it. I like how it came out. I hope you guys like how it came out, because I do. It's very pretty. I'm gonna just zoom in so you guys can see. And yeah, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this makeup look. If you want to see me do more makeup looks as such, please just comment down below and let me know. Again, I do everyday makeup looks, special occasion makeup looks, skincare tips and advice, and all about being an esthetician. Please be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram if you want to stay updated for other things I post about, looks, appointments, times, if you're local. Yes, so yes, if you like this look, go ahead and give a thumbs up or drop a comment down below and let me know. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.